You may think the outstanding athletes are powerful and strong, and yet the stroke victims are partially paralyzed. They call you a powerful and strong athlete. Let's go back in time, where nothing could help Alon Kaplan.
10 years ago, I was in a car accident. This had a debilitating effect on my brain.
A stroke damaged his brain. It wasn't connected to the right side of his body.
I lost motor function and the ability to hug my little ones.
Alon was lost. Then he found out about neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the ability of the brain to change throughout an individual's life. That is, brain activity associated with a given function can be transferred to a different location. The proportion of gray matter can change, and synapses may strengthen or weaken over time. Research has shown that many aspects of the brain can be altered, they're plastic, even through adulthood. Alon brought aboard designers, seamstresses, carpenters, 3D printing designers, website and graphic designers, and started working with the saleswoman. He's working with small factories around Asheville to manufacture his introductory line. Now he's ready to take this to the world. Alon designed his first prototypes. Using neuroplasticity, he changed his neural pathways to connect his motor system to his brain. A stroke warrior can control his feeble muscles with AlonTree's products. Alon and his AlonTree team dream of providing support to millions of stroke warriors. Will you help us?